What's up guys? Back again with another video. Today I'm going to be installing a black badge on my car, black GT badge right there. Previously had a silver chrome, whatever you want to call it, on the back here. Rear logo for the Mustang GT. So basically to remove it, I don't have the other one anymore, but it has like 4 prongs right here. You can see if you come over here, holes right here. It has sticky tape on the factory logo. You can just hit it with a heat gun or hair dryer if you have one of those, and then get some, you know, not a metal. You can use like any little tool that'll fit in between. You can use a credit card even if you wanted to. Screwdriver, not recommended. Got this off successfully. So
is that successful?
yeah, I just broke my other one off completely. But yeah, I wanted to have a blacked out logo. Got this online, Google it and find it pretty much anywhere. So yeah, let's get right into it. Make sure that if you're installing one of these, to clean the area, you know, use alcohol or a Clorox wipe in my case. Not recommended, but we're gonna see if it works. So yeah, right here you can see has this tape, double-sided tape on here, peeling back this side. Gonna go ahead and peel it off. All right, we'll get someone to clean that up.
We'll get somebody to clean that up.
We're the ones that gotta clean that up.
All right, and then basically I'm just gonna line up the holes with the little nubs. Click it on, push it on there. And yeah, we're gonna just firmly press down and hope it stays. Thumbs up, look at that, wow. So yeah, very simple install. I mean, the removal process took like, honestly, it took longer than the install process. So all in all, you can do this swap in about 5 minutes or less. Don't really need the heat gun, but it is recommended to loosen up the material. I do have the 5.0 badges that I'm gonna swap out. See how these are chrome. I'm gonna get those swapped out as well, but I'm gonna do that next week because I'm short on time. Because I'm lazy, I'll say that instead. Anyways, that's all for this week. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. New video every Tuesday. Thank you guys.